Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use fenugreek hairspray for a faster hair growth and hair loss. So if you're interested, grab a seat and let's get into it. This is a really quick video, okay? So I'm making this spray for a friend slash client, so I thought I should show you guys the process, okay? Because I don't think I have fenugreek spray on my channel. I have made fenugreek and rosemary spray before on this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a mason jar. Just in case you guys are wondering, I purchased my fenugreek from Amazon. You can also purchase it from eBay or your local store. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seed into the mason jar. So when adding your fenugreek, don't add much because fenugreek tend to double in size. Then I'm going to go ahead and add warm to cold water. So what are the benefits of fenugreek on our hair? It helps to fight against hair fall. It reduces baldness. It helps with thinning hair. It promotes hair growth. It will make your hair longer, thicker, and your hair will have volume. It's a great source of protein. As well as this, it's also a natural moisturizer for our hair. Once I'm done adding the water, then I'm going to stir everything together. Now I'm going to allow it to infuse for 12 hours. You can go ahead and allow it to infuse for longer, but as for me, 12 hours should be fine. After 12 hours, this is how it looks like. You can tell that the fenugreek has infused into the water because the color has changed dramatically. So if you're struggling with hair loss, try this natural hairspray out and let me know your results. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this spray, and if you're going to try it, please let me know the outcome and leave your feedback. As you can see, the fenugreek seed has increased in size. So if you're watching yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash the red button, and don't forget to on the notification bell for my future upload. Now I'm going to go ahead and drain the fenugreek from the water. So whenever you're using DIY natural ingredient for hair growth, you need to know these 3 factors. So the first one is you need to be consistent when applying the treatment to your hair. Consistency is the key, okay? So don't expect to apply the treatment for a week and you're going to see dramatic results, okay? So be consistent. The second factor is you have to be patient, okay? You need to be patient with the process, okay? And the third factor is trust the process, okay? So don't give up. Be consistent at applying the treatment to your hair, and if you follow these 3 factors, you will definitely see results. I guarantee you, your hair will grow. So I just went ahead and transferred the fenugreek spray into the applicator bottle for easy use.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple.
Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your scalp and your hair strands. So I'm not going to apply the treatment to the entire hair because today is wash day and I'm about to wash the hair in a few hours time, and it's going to be a waste of treatment and product because I'm about to wash it in a few hours time. So I'm going to apply it to a few sections of the hair. So remember, apply this treatment to a clean / washed hair, as this is a leave-in treatment. So what this treatment does to your hair is that it will penetrate into your hair and it will strengthen them. It will promote hair growth. It will make your hair stronger, thicker, and longer. It will help to reduce hair fall shedding, hair breakage, and hair loss. This treatment is also amazing to detangle your hair. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm applying the spray to the scalp and the hair strand. Don't forget to massage the scalp as this promotes hair growth. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. You can apply any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Now I'm going to go in to lock in the moisture with my DIY fenugreek and moringa hair butter. If you want to know how I made this fenugreek and moringa hair butter, I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so do definitely check it out because you guys are going to love it. So after applying the fenugreek spray on the scalp as well as the end strand, then I'm going to pull the hair in a protective style. I usually use this fenugreek hairspray as a leave-in. You can also use it as a tea rinse if you like, okay? You can use this fenugreek hairspray 3 times a week. If you want to store this, you can keep it in the fridge and it lasts for about 5 days to a week. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please do give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye.